All right, hey guys, Jerry from Showtime Audio. So we have this beautiful 2021 Chevy Silverado. It is key start. The truck's amazing. It's a beautiful color. It's got dual exhaust. It's just a really beautiful truck, but it's key start. And he did not want key start. He wanted all the modern convenience of a proximity key, where push to start, proximity, so where basically you walk up, it unlocks, you walk away, it locks. And to boot, he added a remote start. So we're doing the digital guard dog system. So this is their iKey system. So it allows you to basically convert any car to push to start. Some cars are obviously more difficult than others. The other cool thing about this company is, one, they've been doing it forever. So like there's a lot of versions of these online that are really cheap or inexpensive, and they're not fantastic. This one's actually very well built. They have a lot of security protocols. They have some backup functions, and we'll show you that in a second. The other really cool thing is, and you can check it out on their website, is you're able to add real, like OEM style buttons. So we've done ones with a Corvette button, a Bentley button, Lexus, quite a few companies. So if you really wanted to have that OEM feel, you can actually purchase an OEM button. So it's the factory button that's been modified to work with this system. This is your new fob. So this is the proximity key. So now the vehicle is now push to start. So you no longer have to put the key in the cylinder and turn it. You basically hit it, jump in, step on the brake, push the button, just like if the car came with push to start ignition. The other nice thing is you just keep this in your pocket. You walk up, door unlocks, you get in it, drive away. You walk away, door locks, and that's it. Not only does it lock and unlock, it arms and disarms the factory alarm. So this is your new key. So there is no longer is it a physical key that you put in the ignition and turn. This is the key to the vehicle. So you walk up, and now that does everything. The other cool thing that they have is this RFID card. So let's say you lose this, there's no way for you to get into the vehicle. You take this, there's a reader on the windshield, we'll show you. You put this up against it, it will unlock the car and allow you to start it. So you could carry that in your wallet, and it's a good backup plan for the vehicle. Okay, so I'm gonna walk over here. So it just locked, right? So the system just unlocked the door. I'm gonna hop in it, step on the brake, and start the car. And we'll show you from the other side what the push button looks like. And then to shut it off, you do the same. Now the other nice thing is, if you just wanted to turn on the ignition, so there's the accessory, there's the ignition just like a normal car, and then hit it again, and that will shut it off. So it functions exactly like if the car came with it from the factory. So that's the original key. This is your new fob, right? So this was the original remote and key. So every time you walked up, you had to physically unlock it and then physically turn it on. Now, if you can see it, whenever the ring is red, that means that it sees the fob. If I take this away, the fob will go blank. Like this ring will stop illuminating, and that means you can push it all you want, the car will not start. So the ring needs to light up in order to do it. So there you go, and then hit it again and shut it off. Oh, okay. So the vehicle will remote start. So you hit lock and trunk at the same time, and the car starts. Hit lock and trunk again, and car dies.
Visit our website at showtimeaudiochicago.com.